So what I did for a problem with the Chesapeake Bay were chemical contaminants. So almost three-quarters of the Chesapeake Bay's today waters are infested with horrible chemicals like pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and metals. These things can harm the animals and vegetation in the bay's water. Fertilizer and disinfecting chemicals make their way into the water of the bay because of runoff, air pollution, agricultural runoff, and many more, which is why this is happening. The two most common chemicals found in the bay are metals and organics. The most common metal is mercury, and the most common organics are pesticides. Chemicals can harm wildlife in many ways. Birds and other mammals pick up contaminated fish, larger fish eat smaller contaminated organisms, and very small organisms get contaminated through the skin during this chemicals can be. Measures taken. Very few measures being taken. The Chesapeake Bay program is suggesting that people should use more non-toxic pesticides and chemical-free cleaning care products. There have also been production bans to help lower the amount of chemicals that get into the bay waters. In conclusion, resolving the horrible chemicals and pesticides in the Chesapeake Bay waters definitely still needs some improvement. They are taking action and helping solve this, but there is still a lot of work to be done if they want to make the bay completely chemical free. These are my sources.